Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is despondent. It is pronounced despondent and is spelt D-E-S-P-O-N-D-E-N-T. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exams this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Despondent is an adjective that means low spirits from loss of hope or courage. It is often used to describe someone who is feeling very discouraged, disheartened, or depressed. For example, you could say, the team was despondent after losing the championship game, or she felt despondent about her future after failing the exam. The word despondent comes from the Latin word despondere, which means to lose heart or to give up. In the film Inside Out, the character's sadness helps Riley process her emotions and cope with difficult situations. While sadness can sometimes feel despondent, she ultimately plays an important role in Riley's emotional well-being. Synonyms for despondent include dejected, disheartened, discouraged, and depressed. Antonyms for despondent include cheerful, optimistic, hopeful, and upbeat. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, despondent. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.